October 10, 2025, the cryptocurrency market experienced one of its darkest days in history, $20 billion in leveraged positions gone in 24 hours. Bitcoin crashed below $109,000, Ethereum plunged 12%, panic swept through global markets, but some investors were prepared. What triggered this massive liquidation event? Three critical factors converged simultaneously. First, renewed US-China tariff tensions created geopolitical uncertainty. Second, over-leveraged traders had borrowed excessive capital, creating a house of cards. Third, the crash happened during weekend hours when market liquidity was at its lowest. The result? A cascade of forced liquidations. Altcoins dropped 40 to 70%. Over 1.6 million trades were liquidated. Market makers withdrew. Exchanges faced technical failures. It was the perfect storm. Here's what separates institutional investors from retail traders during market chaos. Retail traders panic. They use maximum leverage, ignore stop losses, and chase weekend trades. Institutional asset managers like Garanteus Asset Management operate differently. They employ systematic risk management protocols. Position sizing is strictly controlled, never risking more than 2 to 3% per trade. Advanced AI systems monitor hundreds of market variables continuously, achieving over 95% analytical accuracy. Dynamic hedging strategies protect portfolios during volatility. Liquidity reserves are maintained for market stress. At Garanteus Asset Management, these risk controls flagged elevated danger 48 hours before the crash. Markets are resilient. Bitcoin has already recovered above $114,000. Total crypto market capitalization has stabilized near $4 trillion. But here's the crucial difference. Investors with professional risk management protected their capital during the downturn and are now positioned to capitalize on the recovery. Those without proper risk controls suffered devastating losses. This event proves a fundamental truth. Success in volatile markets isn't about timing, it's about risk management. It's about having sophisticated analytical tools, strategic frameworks, and the discipline to make rational decisions when emotions run high. Garanteus Asset Management has spent nearly 2 decades developing institutional-grade risk management systems. Combining upward analytics with global market expertise, the firm serves individual investors, corporate clients, and institutional funds across Los Angeles, London, New York, Frankfurt, and Sao Paulo. The crypto market will continue to experience volatility. That's the nature of high-growth asset classes. The question isn't whether future downturns will occur, but whether portfolios are positioned to weather them. Professional risk management transforms market chaos into strategic opportunity. Because in the end, protecting capital is just as want to learn more about institutional-grade crypto risk management. Visit the link in the description. Important as growing it. Want to learn more about institutional-grade crypto risk management? Visit the link in the description. Subscribe for more market analysis and investment insights. Don't just invest, invest intelligently.